the girl discovered a baby lynx in the middle of a snowstorm. It appeared to be injured and unable to move, so she immediately took it to a veterinarian. Fortunately, its leg was only slightly injured. It just needed to be bandaged and given some time to rest, and it would recover. It seemed to realize that the girl was trying to help it, so it showed no aggression toward her and simply lay still in one place. She took it home to care for it, feeding it spoon by spoon, making a cozy place for it to sleep, and regularly checking its wound. Before long, the injury healed, and it was able to play freely again.